So here we are outside the factory. They're trying to line everyone up along this same sort of line. We've had a catering van turn up. I think we're waiting for everyone to get here before we start heading around the track. I've just mounted a GoPro to the front of mine so that I can get a personal shot. There's going to be a 360 camera on the bank, so everyone will get a shot of their own car going around it. A lot of the workforce from the factory have come out to have a look round. Yeah, I mean, aside from the fact that it's raining, otherwise it's not too bad. There's a couple of MX-5s that have turned up, wanting to have a run around the track, so it's actually quite an interesting one, and a Porsche. As you can see, the line just keeps going. Yeah, so we're sort of just waiting for everyone to turn up. There's probably going to be some more photos and videos and stuff that people make, and then we'll be heading onto the track. So yeah, looking forward to that. And then most of it, and I think there's something else going on. I think everyone will then be heading back to, well, I'll be heading back to where I'm staying, grab my stuff and make my way back down to the port, and then everyone will be heading home. Apart from obviously the locals will head home after this anyway. So we've just had a little bit of a walk around the track, and as you can see, everyone's sort of starting to line up over there to go around the track. They're starting off with the Scottish DeLoreans, as I think there's not that many of them. So everyone else is just sort of standing around waiting. It's starting to spit a little bit, but we should be alright. So David Abrams is leading this group of 4. They're probably going to have 2 or 3 laps, I think, and then they'll come in and change round, I suppose, but we shall see. now here we are back at the ferry terminal, ready for heading home. So it's been a bit of a wet day. I mean, typical, usual Irish weather or so I've been told. Obviously a lot of the owners who were on this ferry are coming back. One or two of them have stopped for another day or so. Everyone who came on the Scotland ferry went home earlier, like after going around the track and everything, as they were the first ones to go around. So other than that, it's been a pretty successful trip, I would say. All we've got to do now is everyone's just got to get on the ferry and go home.